Good morning to all. Today we are discuss about Newton traction method. Another one problem. In example 5.13, bus 2 is a voltage controlled bus having the rating Pg is equal to 60 megawatt. V2 is equal to 1.02 per unit. Minus 10 less than Q2 less than 100 megavolt ampere reactive. Carry out two iteration and determine the bus voltage magnitudes. Solution: y bus equal to 1.842 phase angle minus 80.49, 1.904 angle 99.2, then 1.904 angle 99.2, 1.842 angle minus 80.49. Then reactance of the phase angle is equal to 0. Then compute angle 12 in radians. Y bus equal to 1.842 phase angle minus 1.405, 1.904 angle 1.7314. Then 1.904 angle 1.7314, angle 1.842 angle 1.405. Check for Q limit. Q calculation 2 is equal to minus V2 V1 Y21 sin theta 12 plus alpha gamma 1 minus gamma 2 plus V2 Y22 sin theta 22. 1.022 1.05 into 1.904 1.7314 plus 1.02 into 1.842 sin minus 1.405, that is equal to minus 0.1239 per unit. And Q2 minimum calculation to Q2 maximum. So bus acts as a generator bus. Compute delta B2, P2 calculation V2 V1 Y21 cos theta gamma 1 minus gamma 2 V2 Y22 cos theta 2 gamma 2 minus gamma 2, that is equal to 1.02 1.05 into 1.904 cos 1.7314 plus 1.02 into 1.842 cos minus 1.405, 1.02 minus 0.3197 plus 0.3100, that is equal to P2 is equal to calculate the value of minus 0.009 per unit. Del P2 is equal to P2 specific minus P2 calculation is equal to 0.6 minus 0.009, that is equal to 0.609 per unit. Formation of Jacobian matrix delta 2 del V2 divided by matrix V2. Then dou B2 divided by dou gamma 2 V2 dou B2 divided by dou V2 dou Q2 divided by dou gamma 2 V2 dou Q2 divided by dou V2, delta P2 delta Q, that is the value of the del Q2 is equal to 0, dou V2 is equal to 0. Then J is equal to dou B2 divided by dou gamma 2 is equal to V2 V1 Y21 plus sin theta 12 gamma 1 minus gamma 2, that is equal to 1.02 into 1.05 into 1.904 sin 0 minus 0 plus 1.7314. Compute delta sigma 2 is equal to J inverse equal to delta P2 is equal to 1 divided by 2.013 into 0.609, that is equal to 0.303. Then gamma 2 is a nu is equal to gamma old plus change in gamma 2 is equal to 0 plus 3.03 is equal to 0.303 radian. Then V2 nu is equal to 1.02. Iteration 2, P2 calculation the 1.02 into 1.05 into 1.904 cos 1.7314 plus 0 minus 0.303 into 1.02 into 1.842 cos, that is equal to Q2 calculation is equal to 1.02 to 1.05 into 1.904 sin 1.7314 plus 0 minus 0.303 plus 1.02 into 1.842 into sin, that is equal to the total value of the Q2 is equal to minus 0.128. then Q2 less than Q2 calculation, then less than is equal to Q2 max. This bus acts as a generator Jacobian matrix. J is equal to dou B2 divided by dou gamma 2 is equal to V2 V1 Y21 sin theta 2 theta 12 plus gamma 1 minus gamma 2, that is equal to 1.022 1.05 into 1.904 sin 1.7314 plus 0.303, that is equal to 2.0185. Then del gamma 2 is equal to J inverse del P2 is equal to 1 divided by 2.0185 into minus 0.006, that is equal to del gamma 2 is equal to minus 0.003. Gamma 2 nu is equal to old plus change in gamma 2 is equal to 0.303 plus minus 0.003, that is equal to V2 is equal to 1.02 per unit. And then next calculation of the simple problem. In example 5.13, bus 2 is a PV bus having the rating of PG is equal to 60 megawatt. Then V2 is equal to 1.02, 10 less than is equal to Q2 less than 100 megawatt ampere carry out on one iteration. Perform the flow of using Newton-Raphson method to determine the bus voltage. Then step 1, from Y bus equal to 1.842 angle minus 1.405, 1.904 angle 1.7314, then 1.904 angle 1.7314, 1.842 angle minus 1.405. Then check the Q limit violation. Then Q2 calculation is equal to V2 V1 Y21 sin theta 12 minus alpha 2 minus alpha plus alpha 1 V2 squared Y22 sin theta 2, that is equal to 1.022 into 1.05 into 1.904 sin 1.7314 into plus 1.02 whole squared into 1.84 into sin minus 1.405. The Q2 calculation, the value of the total value is equal to 0.1239. Then Q2 calculation is equal to Q2 minimum 10 divided by 100 is equal to 0.1 per unit megavolt reactive power megavolt ampere. Then now bus 2 will act as a load bus. V2 is equal to 1.0 angle 0 per unit. Then step 3, compute the del P2 and del Q2 is equal to P calculation is equal to V2 V1 Y2 cos theta 12 minus gamma 2 plus gamma 1 plus V2 squared, then Y22 cos theta 22, then 1.0 into 1.5 plus into 1.094 into cos 1.7314 plus 1.02 whole square into 1.842 into cos theta minus 1.405, that is equal to P2 calculation is equal to 0.0157. Then del P2 is equal to P2 specific minus equal to P2 calculation is equal to 60 divided by 100 minus 0.0157, that is equal to 0.6157. Del Q2 is equal to Q2 specific equal to minus calculation is equal to 0.1 minus 0.1239 is equal to 0.2239. Step 4, from Jacobian matrix, though gamma 2 is equal to V2 V1 Y2 1 sin theta 12 minus gamma 2 plus gamma 1, that is equal to 1.0 into 1.05 into 1.904 into sin 1.7134 minus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 1.973. Then V2 is equal to though V2 divided by though V2 is equal to V1 V2, then Y12 is equal to cos theta 12, then alpha 12 gamma 2 plus gamma 1 plus 2 V2 squared Y22 cos theta 2, that is the value of 1.0 into 1.05 into 1.904 into cos 1.7314 plus 2 into 1.0 whole squared into 1.842 into cos 1 minus 1.045, that is equal to 0.288. Then though Q2 is equal to V2 V1 y21 cos theta 12 minus gamma 2 plus gamma 1 1.0 into 1.05 into 1.904 into cos 1.7314, that is equal to minus 0.3197. Then V2, though Q2 is divided by though V2 is equal to minus V1 V2, then y21, then sin theta 12 minus gamma 2 plus gamma 1 minus 2 V2 squared y22 sin theta 2, that is equal to 1.66. Step 5, calculate the though delta though and though V and though delta gamma 2, then delta V2 divided by modulus of V2 is equal to 1.973 minus 0.3197, 0.288, 1.66 whole inverse of del P2 del Q2, that is equal to 1 divided by 3.367. That is matrix of the value is equal to 1.66, 0.288, then minus 0.3197 into then 1.973 into 0.6157, 0.2239, that is equal to the matrix value of the total matrix value of the 0.3227 radian, 0.073 per unit. Then though 2, then gamma 2 dash is equal to gamma 2 0, then change in gamma 2 is equal to 0 plus 0.3227 is equal to 0.3227 radian is equal to 18.49 degree. Then V2 dash equal to V1 V2 0, change in modulus of the V2 is equal to del V2, then modulus of V2 is equal to 1.0 plus 0.073, that is equal to 1.073. Then V2 new is equal to 1.073 angle 18.49. Thank you.